Alright guys, what we got here is an SMC Hugger ceiling fan at Jeffrey Robinson's basement. This was the Canarm Hugger when I was here last time, but he swapped it out for this.
Yeah, I figured if I can install an older Hugger down here, why not?
Yeah, so it's got this cool light kit globe with these lines.
The 2 gold rings, which is literally my favorite globe ever.
And it's got stencil.
When I first got this fan, it was the white side of the blade showing.
Oh. Move this out of the way.
Yeah.
And so this is the light here. Yeah, so looks like it's using a compact fluorescent or is it incandescent?
I'm pretty sure it's an LED.
LED.
Yeah, I put an LED in there.
There's the SMC pendants.
When I got it, the light SMC pendant was upside down.
Alright. Yeah, so... Oh god, focus. Alright, so... Oh yeah, this is speed. So
speed.
Here is low. Oh god, I don't want to hit my head on this.
I can walk under it just fine without hitting my head.
God. Man, I'd rather have a short person doing this.
Oh, you clear the blades. Cause I'll show you real quick. I'll wait till you're done getting your angle.
Yeah, this has a fast low.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, I'll show you what I mean. I'm like right to it. But my requirements, as long as I can walk under the blades, I don't care. That's why it's off. That's another reason it's off to the side.
Medium.
This is your high speed on most Huggers of today.
Whoa. Wow.
I found out why it jitters like that, eh? It's because the blades are so close to the wood, the beams, and the pipe.
Oh, wow. And here is high. And let's see how much air it moves. I actually should be sitting on the chair.
Be careful of this, don't let this fall down.
Oh man. Yeah. Blows a good amount of air. I don't really want to stand under it a lot. Oh yeah, I'm feeling some air. And yeah. Okay, here's reverse. God, you can still hear the music.
Yeah.
I hope.
Because you're right above. We're right below the kitchen, so.
I hope I still don't get copyrighted.
Yeah. And if it wasn't obvious, the electrical, like the wood beam that the fan's on, that was obviously put in by me.
Yeah.
Because when I first moved here, the light was the only thing that was in this room. I put in the fan box and that light over there and the one above my drums.
Medium. And low. And I guess now off. Well, that is it. That is it for the visit here with Jeffrey. And so I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.